We are recording. We are streaming. Just gonna do some stuff. That was almost bad. Okay. Visibility, public, save. Welcome! Welcome everyone to the stream. Today we're gonna be doing some UI work. The dreaded stream, but it's all good. The stream. Okay. That is somehow, for some reason, coming out of that. Okay, there we go. We're good. Let me just get some jazz music up. We're good. Just get some. Yeah. T plays. Hey man, how's it going? I think that should be good for music. Okay. We've been working on. I've done no work on this apart outside of streaming. So it's been like 2 days. I don't even know where we were at last time. Let me see. If I go ahead and play. Okay, yeah, that's right. We added all this last time. Okay, well, today I'm going to try to get some UI working that doesn't look awful. Preferably I'd also want to put these kind of buttons up on like a tool shelf. So we can try to get something going like that. Don't really know how it's gonna work. Yeah. Gonna be a lot of Blender work today, I think, similar to last time. But we did a little coding last time. And a lot of UI work. Hey, that's a pretty cool map. But yeah, shouldn't be too difficult, I don't think, today. Last time, I mean, Ice Tower was actually still broken. Hey, Turkey, how's it going? Yeah, Ice Tower was a little too, might be a little broken. It's basically like just a wizard tower, but like extremely overpowered. Things. Alright. Icons time. I mean, let's just keep doing all our work in our assets file. Icons are fun. They are fun. So we go. I mean, you can, if you like doing icons. Do you wanna do a little help? We need to do ones for harvesting, building, and upgrading. So I mean, like pretty easy. Like a harvest would just be like a sickle. Build would be like a building hammer. Upgrade would be probably a vertical arrow. If you want to make one, go ahead and make it. If you like doing icons. Hey, didn't ask. How's it going, man? We're doing a lot of UI today. Blinking time. For real. I'm gonna do upgrade first because it's like I've already got an idea of exactly how I'd do it. I think the other ones I'd probably use. I saw you playing MC. Yeah, for the other ones I'll probably use a reference image. How's Minecraft going? I played some the other day actually, and it was like I don't know, it's weird playing a game like that, which I just kind of don't play anymore. It's like, I used to play thousands of hours probably in Minecraft, and then see a Vegemite New Zealand? There is. I actually prefer Vegemite. I very much dislike Marmite. If you say that, oh my god. If you say that in New Zealand though, you get like, I don't know. People like act as though you've said something awful if you say you like Vegemite better than Marmite, because Marmite's like the thing over here. I don't know, I'm just not a fan of it, eh? It's just kind of nasty. Marmite's just kind of molassesy. I don't even know what like the best way to describe it is. Where's it from? UK? England. Oh, that's interesting, eh? A sanitarium bought the rights to distribute Marmite in Australia and New Zealand back in 1908, with Marmite making its first appearance on NZ shelves in 1910. Interesting. I never knew that. I thought it was New Zealand. Vegemite is Australia though, right? I'm pretty sure Vegemite is, yeah, that's Australian, yeah. I love Vegemite. I haven't had it in a while, to be fair. I feel a lot better than Marmite. I was thinking of doing like a little pattern. Someone like this. But I don't know how I feel about doing this now. But I mean, that could work for like upgrading. I kind of like the look of it. Maybe if we do it smaller and we do like 3 lines. I don't know, I just want something other than like a basic upgrade. Like arrow. Maybe we'll just do that to be good. I kind of like that. Just if we go to point. Oh, yeah. Just so it's slightly above. I actually forgot we've already got the camera all set up. Welcome, new viewer. So I want to thank you guys because one of my streams recently has been going crazy. Like the second stream I did of making this game, it's like up to 1,000 views. I don't know what was different about that stream to like any other to make it like pop off so hard, but it's like it's crazy. I wasn't expecting it. And like, yeah, like I don't know what YouTube does. What it seems like is YouTube actually decides for a single piece of content and then like promotes it. Like look at this. Right? And it's if I go to my content, it is lives. This one here. What is that? All the other ones have like 98, 70, 98, 148, 109. And that one just says 1,000. I don't know how YouTube decides to to promote, but we'll take it. Community is benefiting from it, I guess. More minions to contribute to the game. If any of them join the streams. Hey, so when should I create a itch.io link for the game? Should I just go ahead and make one, like, I mean now, because I mean it's like playable, not really, but you know, it's like semi-fun just to screw around on it right now. Or should we wait until it's like in a playable state where you actually have like, I guess, a goal? Because right now you can't lose lives. You almost have to make it up. Ah, that is a problem. $15. Maybe not 15. Maybe 5. Okay. Upgrade button. Time to do a hammer. I mean, this should be like... I feel like this is actually just decent. Like, what if we just did that? If we just did that. Wait, wasn't that little piece of music that just played? The wasn't that like the intro theme for like one of those life hack channels on YouTube? If it was, that's actually hilarious. Build button. No more text saying build button. This, chuck that in there. Build button should now be there. Yep. Harvest. Yeah, we could probably try make it a sickle shape on our own. Shouldn't be too difficult, surely. It goes like... That looks nasty. Okay. We're gonna grab a sickle. Yeah, we'll just get a reference image of a sickle, and we'll use that. We're gonna go to our usual playlist as well. The hammer and sickle. Hey. Add reference image. Hammer and sickle. We won't do hammer and sickle though, because that's I don't know, we're not. We're installing. Holy, wait. You're actually cracked. What the f— those look crazy. I might change the color to white if that's all good, but that's like, that's insane. What do you mean easy? Look at it, look at this. I've been trying my ass off. And yours just looks that good. What do you use to make icons like that? Is there like a tool, or you just like cracked it like vector art and stuff? You can change color? Yeah, could you change it to white if that's all good? Damn. Okay, that was like actually insane. Because if I do white, then I can actually color them however I want. Instead of relying on what color they are and huing them based on that. How does the file information? UI moved position. Oh, I forgot how I did. I forgot that I did it like that. Alright, lower panel, stretched. Welcome, new viewers. The idea is that we're gonna swap to a kind of a panel down here now instead, because I think it's gonna look way better. I think we keep it as like a dark color though. How's like a dark blue look? Nice. Thank you so much, dude. They look amazing. You should become a UI artist. Turkey. Like, they genuinely look really good. Alright, let's just, like, put these into the game. They actually just don't need to be massive either. They can be 512. Compressed to 512. Alright, if we use the lower panel and then make a empty for the buttons panel, or the... You designed a few things for mates as well. Yeah, you need to like become a UI artist, man. They look fucking good. And the idea is if we have... Hey, do you reckon you could do like a, Hey, I'll give you like an idea of what I want. Do you reckon you could do like an outline that looks quite cool? So let's say like, if it was like this. Smack in the center. And then like the middle one look like that. You reckon you could do like a cool looking outline but like color it? So it looks dope as. A box? Yeah, like a box, but you can like... are you able to change the colors so they look good? I mean, I could probably just make a box to be fair, but... like, change the colors so... because, like, your ones look really cool with the, like, the extra shading you put on them. Like, what do you mean? What am I talking about? Like, this... why is that not showing? Oh, it's because it's there. I don't know why this isn't showing. Never mind. You do not have to make a box. Image. Because basically we're gonna do this so that like within it. And then these can be like different panels. So I'm trying to make them seem more like a interactable. If that makes sense. Build, harvest, bosses, and then our upgrade. So. Go. It's basically like 15 each. Do I like the colors I have on screen now? I'm probably not. I'll probably change a lot of it. Like these. I mean, I kind of like that. I like the idea of keeping those like that. I don't know what color we have the outside. If it's like a dark gray, yeah, it complements the white. We need the sphere like a scroll rig, I think now. Maybe, wait, no, this thing. Scroll rect, it's not vertical. Content is under this. If I did that, right? Oh, okay. It does that. Oh, that needs like snapback. I always don't know how to use scroll rigs. Can't get them back. what? I wanted to move the parents. There we go. Content size fitter, the nicest way. I think it's... gonna annoy the hell out of me. Why is that not? That one works good if I did that, but I don't know, they're just not really working well. Goes this way. It's like clamping it sideways, but not vertically. That's really weird. Yeah, that's like really annoying me right now. Alright, maybe we don't have a scroll rig for now. I just don't think it needs one. You have 3 buttons. Each of them do their own thing. And then I think when you click the build button, maybe a build menu pops up. Because how does it work right now? Oh. Why is this one not showing up, actually? Oh, right, because I need to click on this. One is on to buttons. See how they look with like the default button clicking behavior. They look fine. UI and move to position. Food position is 25. That was at 0. Right, so that needs to be negative 25. speed of like 10. Okay, so now if I go into the... Yeah. This one, we go boom. Hey! I think that looks a lot smoother than any of the other ones. You know, that this is like very clean. You click it, and it's just a small panel that pops up instead of this massive like thing on the side of the screen. Which I just don't think works. Harvest button. I mean, this is easy to get hooked up, I think. I think we just go map generator. Harvest. Yeah. Upgrade is as simple as just dragging in. Upgrade tower. Harvest. Yeah. So nice that it's actually probably going to be a pretty... What? Wait, what's happening? Hold on. The ruins tile. I see this problem. That's pretty funny. Cause... I don't know, I shouldn't be doing that, but... it's fine for now. Just like slightly breaks the tile. That's kind of funny. Would also be cool to do like a sickle like swipe, for the animation of like harvesting. Considering it's kind of like a god style game, like you're hovering over. Alright. Let's get build set up. It shouldn't be too hard, to be fair. I think all we gotta do is make another panel under the lower bottom panel. So we go boom. Build. Yeah. No scroll recs. Content. I don't know what that's doing. I don't know why that's... Should be middle. Oh, all the images for the towers. That's an interesting little conundrum that we have to do. We have to do all the icons for towers. We could actually get like a render out a blender for them. However, wouldn't really be in the style. Interesting. We did this. Let's forget about the build panel for a second. I had a cool idea. Like how each of these look. 2-0? Oh, okay. We did that. Negative 40. I think that looks a bit cleaner. And then how do we... I need to grab some water. I am back. Do we... The question is... Oh. The question is, do we have it so, like, these ones go away when you go into build menu, or do we make it like an extension so it comes up on another shelf? I think coming up on another shelf might be better, because we did this, right? Pull the content up and up 25, and then had it so these sit behind. What we could actually do is make that, make it a little darker color, or a lighter color actually, right? And we go... That needs to be a kid. So why is that? Oh, because it's the lower panel right there that's doing it. That's controlling. Okay. Let's scratch that and put that on to here. I did make a box. Oh, you made a box. Let me see. Hey, okay. Let's see how that looks. A box with 3 X's. XXX. Let's give it a go. Let me sort this out real quick. Wait, those are all the way over there again. Alright, let's chuck these on. Sprite box. I see them as black actually, because it might contrast well. Isn't the back slightly transparent? Yeah. I think. Alright, let me see how these look if I remove the build panel and put these back to 0. Oh guys, hey Dave, how's it going? So it looks like it's progressing well. It's progressing pretty good. Doing some UI. I'm not doing the UI apparently. Turkey is. And he's pretty much a god of it, so I'm just putting it together. Two position. 25. They look actually pretty good. I'm just gonna remove, or I'm gonna make these smaller. Yeah, 35 works. Outlines are very easy. Make them all 3D. Nah, you don't have to. Dang, I still want to figure out how we're gonna make the tower panel. Maybe we do. Maybe we do just swap it to a separate screen, so we can just do like, boom. We can call this main buttons content, and then we can call this build buttons. And then for this one, basically if the build was selected, then each of these we can stuff too. However, okay, yeah, let's go ahead and get some tower stuff rendered. So maybe render image. How can we do like an editor script? Render. I know there's like documentation for this, surely. Camera.render. Yeah, here we go. Can we do an editor script? No, wait. So I think it'll be pretty easy, literally, just to get, get the... Oh, maybe not. I mean, maybe instead, I don't know where that's saved to. Render image. Ah. But now, wait, can we just get like this? Oh no, we can't get those. Alright, let's go ahead and just render some PNGs of our towers. $45, $45, so it's like in the orthographic style. Tower icon. Boom. Okay, that's number 1. Oh. Alright, the speaker. The concussion tower. Very interesting one to do a icon of. Oh, we also need to figure out a way to show each of the costs of each tower. But maybe we have them around the edge. Maybe cool on the side. I don't know. We can look at some solutions. Archer tower. Might have to texture this one. Or not texture. Oh yeah, texture actually. That. Not that. Where's like the rock material? Oh, there we go. Okay, that one. We got these. It's like a wood. I think in game it's slightly darker. Maybe not that dark. That's iron. Dang, I actually should probably just go through and label all my textures. Because save me a whole bunch of hassle in the future. I'd probably do that off camera to be fair. Oh, so we're not just sitting here for like 20 minutes. Archer, tower, okay. Last one was a tower. Pretty sure literally all of this is basically just stone. I think these ones are supposed to be darker stone. But I don't want to make more materials, so render. Oh my god, what is happening? Played some Rust today, and I had I made a absolute biggie bag play. I turned a Tommy, my last Tommy, into an AK. So not bad. See how that looks. I actually think that looks not bad. I'm just gonna have to work on this separately. Concussion. Build button. No, that's not concussion. It's an Archer Tower build button. Archer build button. Magic. Magic build button. Ice build button. And concussion. Magic tower. Ice tower. Concussion tower. Alright, let's figure out how we can get this like that. So, when we... Move that. Oh, and we also need a back button. And a back button. So, maybe move that for now. UI. We're just gonna have some text saying back for now. Make it white to contrast. We don't have any font that we want to use. we need to find a font so it's you know, slightly decent. Okay, the main button's content should be true, and the build buttons should be removed. Okay. Which means the build button can make the build button's content either true, and the main buttons equal to false. Okay, let's give that a go. Save build buttons content, and you know we can actually probably just get all these linked up. Let's go map generator dot build. Build on tile, 0. Build on tile, 1. Build on tile, 2. And our build on tile. Give that a go. Okay. We have like semi-decent UI, and we can build the archer towers. Build those. That like actually just looks pretty good. The back button. The back button's a little weird, but you know what? Maybe we can give that a pass for now. Now maybe some hotkeys getting set up, possibly. Maybe like F, B, and whatever that one's. Whatever that one is. I think I might be wrong here, but if I just go C# script and call it hotkey, right? Really easy way to set up hotkeys. I had never thought of this, but you just go public Unity event. And Unity events are powerful things, right? And we just call this hotkey event. We have a public key code. And we also should have a public bool well, is active, and all we do oh yeah, it's in update, right? If How I staying on a project for long, no distractions on other projects. So I got no other projects I want to work on right now. This is like this is like the most fun project I've worked on in a while. I made blackjack the other day, which was pretty fun. So I just kind of screwed around with that. It's not really working right now because I tried to add some stuff to it and it's kind of broken. But no, blackjack, that was pretty fun to code, but so I just didn't want to code, didn't want to do any streaming the other day. But yeah, no, I'm pretty dedicated to this one. Like, I've been enjoying making it, so yeah, why not stay on it, right? How are you, man? Not so. You gave up on your tower defense or something, or? Oh, I deleted this. Interesting. Delete. Hey, we got some Oreos right here. Bust into these Oreo originals. You guys a fan of Oreos? Not gave up, but cannot maintain consistency. I think the thing is balance, right? You don't want to work on it for like 6 hours a day. That's just like super boring. Work on it for like, give yourself like 2-3 hours. That's what I've been doing. Just 2-3 hour streams a day. 2 to 3 hour streams a day. Not. What did I just implement? Oh yeah. Work on it for 19 hours and once. Then don't touch it for the rest of the week. For real. Yeah, just spend all 24 hours of one day. Instead of doing 7 streams of 2 to 3 hours, or 7 sessions for a whole week, you just do you just 24 hours in one day. That's more than the 7 sessions. Why do all of this over a week when you can do it in 24 hours? Think about it like that. I'm gonna do one of those like noob pro, you know, like Oreos, like how a noob eats Oreos, and it's like what I just did. It's like how a pro does it. I don't get it. Oreos are alright. They're like a 6 out of 10. Shitty mom. Okay. Yeah. This is how my mom eats Oreos. You know, it's like the awful, like TikTok reels. You will not believe how my mom eats Oreos. She said I was crazy. I was crazy once. They locked me in a room. A rubber room. Alright. They actually sit to be being active. Oh, no they're not. Who would have thought? What if we could just set our event equal to like a bottom event? Interesting. If our bottom event link is not equal to null, then we can just set our... Oh, we're gonna go to bed. Have a good sleep, man. Have a great sleep. Yeah, thanks for making those icons. They look really good, man. Yeah, have a good sleep, man. Public void, sit active status. I should be able to set that then, right? Back bottom, hotkey. Oh, set active status. No. False. And this one, we can set active status to true. Probably my bad. I think I streamed an hour late. So I'm probably gonna end the stream an hour early. Instead of going 3 hours, I'll go 2 hours. Just so at least I'm finishing at a consistent time. Okay, that should mean... Yay! Look at that. Hotkeys sit up without... I go in. Nice. F H FHG maybe. What? No 2D sprite editor. Sag. We'll just like download all the 2D like stuff. I thought I was working in 2D, I'm not gonna lie. But Finally. Sprite waters. 50? Oh! More. More? Can we do a 90? Oh. 25? Yeah. Hey. I think I need to increase this by a whole bunch. Yeah, I do. Okay. Cool. So, what were we doing with this? Oh yeah, making little, making little things for the top left. Like, 5, we're talking like 5 by 5, no. 15 by 15? Yeah. Little hotkeys. Let's make this an F. Hey! That looks so cute! I actually really like that. We'll make... I hate making it out of order. I mean, you know what we can actually do? Just so it makes sense that the U is upgrade, because... I mean, come on. And, sorry, H is harvest. Right, we can just do that. Swap it out, so upgrade is G. Should be as easy as just adding the hotkey, giving it that to link to, and then setting it as G. I wish there was some easier way to set hotkeys though. Hotkey codes, sorry. Harvest. Yeah, the hotkey script. H. Button link is active. Yes. Okay. Let's see. Look at that. We can like... Oh. Interesting. See how fast we can do this now? What we should actually be doing is when we open up the panel, that's done under the tile selector. Select this. Yeah. Menu, remove, .game object, .set active, true. And there really should be a delayed, but it's fine. Alright, we can just do this. Can we wait and you wait? No, wait. Ends up breaking like a lot of code. Well, we'll give it a go though. We just wait for this. It's at the end. There we go. It should mean that we cannot set it. Yep, can't set it while it's down. Pretty snazzy. Right, because it's doing that. Okay. I guess we can just check if this gets set to true during that time. We just return. So we don't have to deal with it. It's basically what we do. Yep. I don't think it's buggy anymore. God, level 1 enemies. Crazy. I meant towers. Ah! So, this one... The mage tower's broken. I noticed this before. This mage tower. What's it doing? It's just not detecting... It wasn't detecting enemies. Let's increase its range. Okay, maybe it is. It wasn't detecting it if it was super far away. Let's give it another go. It seemed like it was kind of bugging before. It's like if its target goes out of the way, it doesn't select a new one. No, maybe it would. Maybe it's not. I think it's fine actually. Alright, so we've done all this with the UI. Want to be in the center, man. Alright, let's get some hotkeys set up for the Archer Tower. We're gonna use the top row. We're gonna use the top row. We're gonna use QWERTY. Escape, QWERTY, to be able to build towers. That should mean that you can pretty easily build everything quite quickly. Hockey time. Q. Sign. Okay, magic. Hotkey scripts. Assign is active. Yep. W. Oh, a hotkey script. I like how the concussion tower just doesn't fit at all. Okay. Maybe move. You want to move position? We just have an is active. Maybe we just do everything based on these. Oh boy. Yep. Minus 25. Yeah. Because we did. No, it's minus 50. Build buttons. We'll add one of these as well. Okay. Now we set this as negative 50. We set this as 0. We set active equal to true on this one. So then whenever we... Buttons panel. Main menu buttons. Whenever we go into the build menu, we can simply set the UI move position, set state true, and then when we're on this one and we use the back button, we can grab this, set the UI move position to be true. Oh, we also need to disable this one, so not back button, but content. False, and when we go to build, we set the main one to be true. False. Okay. That feels right. Alright, let's see. Nice. Good to see that it works. Oh, right. So now we actually don't even set these equal to false or anything. We don't set active. Which means I believe they actually can be both active at the same time. Because if those are below, yeah. Okay. That does not do anything. Good to know. It like did, but it didn't. Let's see. The move in active is equal to false. Oh, it's because it's race position being not. It can't be getting set. What? I know why. Well, it will sit rest on start. If sit rest on start not equal to true, then what the hell? The old one. Where's the old one? The tile information? Oh, the tile information. Cool, looks like we're gonna have to redo all that. You know, the stuff we spent like hours on the other day. Okay, that shouldn't be working like that. What's happening? Okay. Is active is equal to... Ah! Once again, we got to do so. Didn't set the speed. Set that's 20 on each one. Oh, look how smooth that is! Look at that! When we deselect, that should also activate back. It is looking good. It's all hotkeyed now as well, so we can like real quick do stuff. Yeah. No, we can just like spam all these down. Build time to new towers? Yeah. We can maybe. We could do a cool animation. But I don't know if we will add build time. I kinda like the idea that you can get things set up pretty quickly. Do you think it's a good idea? You're meaning like multiple turns? Okay. Okay, maybe I think that might be another day. We've got like 30 minutes and then I'm probably going to end stream because it's getting to the usual time I end. Because I started streaming later. But yeah, that's a cool idea. I don't even know what we're going to work on now. Probably... See, I don't know how much each thing is in resources, but like with this type of UI. Maybe it shows it below it? If we're... Let me try some. So on these, alright, we have, let's go ahead and create a UI object. And this is going to be called the resources panel. I do this. And put it on the side. Let's go like 15 by 30 box. Why? Really, really odd. 45, so 22.5. Nope. Yeah, it is. Why is that like that? Oh, it's like that. Oh. Looks a little cleaner. Okay, so on the resources panel, if we like a magic card, I wonder if I can actually show this. Like a magic card, it should say. I need one that has like multiple colors in this. Okay, like this. So, what if? I need to make sure like you guys can see this. What if like so each of the mana symbols, right? Maybe we do it like that. So like there's one blue. If it requires one lumber, costs one lumber. If it's one stone as well, then it will add a little stone symbol as well. So then it's like a visual indicator of how much it costs. And because we can have this as a vertical layout group, we have a center for the middle, and then we can just add small, like 5. Yeah, like little 5 ones, and we can just be like wood. So this one, let's say this one costs wood. It'll be like that. And what I can actually do is if I make this the same color as the middle button. Is that seeable? It is. However, I think the transparency is kind of screwing it up. If I brought it in instead, right, and then brought it up, put it down, maybe it clamps to like this edge of it. So it's like similar to that. Okay. We're getting somewhere. Okay, yeah, it's gonna be on the side. I think that actually looks decent. Like that. Yeah, that works. And then all we gotta do is load it up like this. So, does each resource have an icon? How are we even setting icons? Interesting. Oh, I guess we're not. I never thought about that. Okay. So, display, build, resources. Okay. Public int tower ID. And then on start, I guess we actually just create them. Pretty simple. It shouldn't change. So we can for loop. First of all, actually, let's get our tower data. Secret view tower data. Secret on map manager. Dot instance. Nope, it's also. I less than our data dot costs 0 dot amounts. Yeah. Dot length. Oh, we also need to go through. We need to go through again for the amounts. Set it in I. We'll go J. Alright, and J. For every one of those, team object, instantiate. We can instantiate our resource icon prefabs of Alright, we're gonna have to public resource public sprites resource icons, and then what we can do is go down, make a method to return. So public sprite get resource icon from name. Let's switch them. What the fuck? That would be cool. Icons. Resource icons. Resource icons. F1. Okay, go all the way back up to the top. That needs to be a list. Woo! Right, that is pretty simple. And then display build resources, we can get icon prefabs of our data dot costs of 0 dot resources of I. Hmm. We do need that. And then we can go object, property component, image, dot sprite is equal to our tile selector dot instance dot get tips icon name. That should work actually. Alright, all we need to do, image 5x5, drag and drop down to prefabs, call it. I think we could just do that, that. Oh! Okay. Let's add that to bedroom. Yep. 1. And let's add that to our ice tower button. 2. And then let's add it to our concussion tower button. 3. Awesome! That's that. We go map generator. We can go resource icons of 3. One is the lumber, one is the stone, one is the iron. So, if we go here, no errors. We open it up. As you can see how much each one costs. That isn't too shabby. Yeah, I was gonna say, that's not actually correct. Oh, and then for each amount we need to do it. Ah, I think. Right? Possible, yeah. Wait. Okay, there we go. Fixed. I was gonna say. Doesn't make much sense. Yep, that is all correct. Make stone. Those. Key to upgrade. For now, that works pretty good. However, would it make more sense to do it along the bottom, I'm thinking? It might look a lot cleaner along the bottom, actually, now that I'm picturing it. Well, I mean, that can probably be changed another day. Maybe we get these all sorted up now? Maybe we can put these into a, maybe we can get these all sorted out into their own little grouping. Okay. Okay. Resource panel is... Where is that one there? Oh, it's under this. That's right. Oh, inventory. Swap it over. And then actually all of that we'll just delete. It's this. Round text can also be swapped over. New canvas. We add image component. Paste to those. What do you mean object reference not set to an instance? Where is that stored? Why does it not say which object it's stored on? On the tile selector, yeah. Right, so the tile selector. There we go. Okay, here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna go top right up here, which is what we've got. We're gonna give it this. However, we're gonna make it a little longer. 20. Mine is 65, so it's a little offset. I think we should then... Let's make this like 160. Bring it down by... That's 65. Bring that down 85, that's equal spacing. We could probably then keep to color palette. So it'd be equal to that. Looks a little off for now. Let's go ahead and chuck these in a group called resources. We'll basically just copy this. And we can... What? Okay. Height 160, so height. We can give this a height of 100 probably, comfortably. Move them into the center. Let's make sure the round is under there, so the round's gonna be there, so it's, yep. We can then that. Interesting. Oh. You know what, we probably actually don't need a layout group for this type of thing. We're not working with enough objects for a layout group to be necessary. All we gotta do, make this one stretch and be at the top, right? So we go 30. Preferably we like stay around, like from the outside, so we go like 10 on each side. But we keep it like that. With white text, make it 25 high. We can sit in the middle. And we go like negative 12.5, like that. However, we want like another 10 gap, so... Okay. Then the resources. How does this feel? It feels the exact same, but slightly different. So maybe... We don't have a box. Maybe it's like solid. Oh. Update display. It's gonna be a problem for a bit. Can we figure out all the... how we're gonna... display information? Maybe... we do still have a panel over here that says select the tiles. Just doesn't have buttons on it. I am good with that. How? Another one. Another one bites the dust. Alright, well, I mean, it wasn't a very productive stream because it was only like 2 hours. However, I didn't really feel like doing much today. I haven't streamed in a while. Interesting. Anyway, I think that might be in the stream. So although it's not a long one, we actually got a pretty important thing done, which was updating the UI. It now doesn't look like super awful. I mean, what we could do instead, right now, we just go on the font. Let me see. Let's go on the font. Hmm. 100% free. There's out of the Apache, which is what I've used for other things. There's up a poly. What type of font suits this game? Kind of a jagged, pixel-arty style one. Which, I mean... Okay, wait. Why don't... let's just use it out of the Apache. It's my edited version of it though, so it looks a little nicer. I changed a few letters. Yeah, that, like honestly, this font is so good. I altered like a few letters to make it all like it look a little bit nicer. And it's just so good. Boom. Okay, gonna see how that looks. Oh, that looks so much nicer. Anyway, that's the end of the stream, folks. Hope you guys have enjoyed. Have a great day. It wasn't a long one, but it was a fun one. Like usual, we get a lot of work done. Alright, see you guys. Ciao.